Another one of our entries for Moab this year is a Gladiator that we've been put together by our friends at JPP. Features a lot of cool things. First, this bumper seat on the front. So it's a grille guard, folds down to become a seat on the front. Metal bumper, Rubicon bumper with a worn winch in it. The vehicle features a lift from JPP, 37-inch tire on a unique wheel. This also being a Gladiator, but with the half doors on it, and then the hard top, I think it's just a really great look to it. Side rock rails for the vehicle, lights on the roof, a unique sport bar arrangement back here with storage up on top, and then this cargo bed, which is a very utilitarian, but a concept piece on it. Features some great styling to it, open through the sides, Rotopax mount here, and even the tailgate has been reconstructed in this great industrial feel to it. Spare tire has been relocated from under the vehicle up into the bed. Really a great piece.